Hello guys, today I'm gonna react about Peckout Tester. Peckout Kailis, Walden, Cricket and Humpty Dumpty. So I haven't posted for 9 months. That's crazy. And it's Peckout and Kaka. I think I know Kaka. Yeah, I know. So before you start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started, bro.
What happened to Cockon Packod? I think they quit YouTube because they have no motivation. They got way too fat to keep up.
Whoa, way too fat. Nah. Bro, look at you. Bro, seeing your steak. You look like Humpty Dumpty, bro. You look like Nico Avocado, bro. But anyways,
And they quit YouTube. Steak, I am your daddy, you could never forget it. Said me and Kaka could not do it, but I know you'll regret it. Get out the Chick-fil-A drive-thru, you need to eat salad lettuce. You keep on milking, the content's getting more desperate. It just makes me so sad. When I think of Creed Crafts, alcoholic dad.
Whoa, this is way too far. Like, what did Cricket do to you, bro? Cricket do to you? He didn't even do nothing to you. I'm calling him alcoholic dad. Nah. That's way too private for this guy to what? It's way too unfair, bruh. What unfair? I mean it's way too far because this is how so actually Cricket dad is alcoholic. Nah, bruh, that's insane. Hey, I'm gonna watch more. Let's just start.
It just makes me so sad, I can't even lie. When I look you in the eye, I know something just ain't right. Cause you're some grown-ass man playing Roblox and I can't even.
So why are you saying that grown-ass man, bro? You look well. Wait, I'm gonna go check how old is because I'm gonna check how old is Pac-Man quickly. I'm gonna use some direct camera. My things so laggy, bro. Anyways, how old? Oh my days. Singing. So Fulton is 25, man. I'm back up. And he plays Roblox. Let's sing about you also play Roblox with your friend Kaka mode. Anyways, Kaka. Anyway, you should go back. Let's start.
When I look you in the eye, I know something just ain't right. Why? Cause you're some grown-ass man playing Roblox.
Hey man, turn this shit on, man. I ain't got no time for this shit. But you know what should I do it to him?
You must not know who the fuck you talking to, little time. Steak! It's
What did this steaky boy do now? Oh hell no!
time to get humble. Creed crab made out with steak.
Nah, bro. Steak and cricket even. Nah, they're not gay's fake, man. Nah. That doesn't. Why at the back of steak has like a lesbian flag? Or a hair? No one lesbian. A gay? Nah, just crazy. Nah.
Man, I think they gay. Freak, I need to take your head and cover it in termite spray. Number one pain smoker, use you as my ashtray. Bald, white, obese bitches. Who's that? That's Steve.
shut up.
Yeah, I gotta get no fucks. You know how we pressing on. Taylor's, you look like Ron Weasley if he was a lesbian.
Who? Ron Weasley? I'm not sure who's Ron Weasley. Sorry, guys, I need to do some more good. Oh, is this guy from Harry Potter? But damn, gewoon. Guys, ook zo Ron Weasley when he's lesbian. Lesbian? What? Coming now. Come on, boom, back. Yes, talking.
Pre-crap straight up, you just look like a motherfucking lesbian. So I must think of deodorant. If you ever wanna spread it out. Pre-crap got up on his cake, he like getting tied up. I was chilling with the monks till the steak had a.
So both in the monks. Damn! Over 9 months. Yeah, after this video, after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna search up what is a freaking monk even is. I wanna do it now because I'm not wasting time doing this, blah 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 blah. Stay had to pipe it up. Maybe he's sneezing to lose one. I think he was sneezing, and then he told everyone what happened. I don't know what this pipe up.
Y'all be on some fuck shit. Y'all be doing brain rot. I'm just trying to crash the market. You all in the same style. Now, Fulton, how'd you let your account get hacked by a little kid? And how'd you make a diss track on him that sounded like horse shit?
Yeah, that one does as well. This guy's a kind guy. He's a kind man, chill guy. He does nothing to you. He's a chill guy. He does nothing. He didn't even do anything to you. He said So what did Fulton do to you? Like what did Taylor's Fulton and Cricket do to you? I know it's take deep because he's calling you guys fat and never posted and called YouTube. That's insane. It's just
Safe to go up the stairs, you gon' need a forklift. And Kayla's hair's like Dream's face. To the left, it's super stiff. Oh my god, bro. You thought that was it, man? You thought we was done? Steak. Hey, yo, Kaka, turn me up, boy.
I wouldn't do it if I hopped on the track. Yeah. Thank you, don't
Connection terminated.
Fuck it. Station, put you on the plane. Goddamn, that shit is overweight. Hungry craft. Your hair is turning gray. You're a grown man crying over brain rot song.
hold up. Oh my tijd, guys, this is a dude, guys. My father's knocked the door van. Knocked the window van origin.
Yo, what the fuck? Fulton's like, I swear. I'm a grown man, but I don't swear. I'll let this show just throw likes. Look it up, I swear.
You're gonna upload one video a year. Nah, we already got plans, man. It's gonna be fire.
Hey, I got Roblox stuff inside my pockets. I'm the money man. You need to go to a preschool just to meet the fans. You really think that we can do this? Y'all don't understand. I can see through everything. Boy, I'm Superman. Hold up, Cocker, let's roll out. Yeah, this shit better go down. 2026, so we back. Anybody in the way, get a motherfucking mow down. With this pack, I'm bitch, so you know now. I came with a brand new loadout. Fuck room, man, get it hold out. Cocker, turn this shit up. Every time I see you on that brain ride, caught him cock, I told him that we gotta get the game right. Had to drop a diss up on these clouds just like I'm paid up. That disco, Princess gang got aim back, damn. The modern wings, damn. Be like Stuart Little, damn. And yo, Waddy is the same, man. Frizzle, damn. This is the bad guy, bitch, time to bow down. Better turn this roadblock, come to a ghost town.
Kinda fire. Not gonna lie. That's an 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, but that's a fire thing. But the only thing I wanna know, what was the first beginning part about it? Like the sad song, but I thought it's gonna be the whole video, but it's like now like coming Rosen, bro. Yeah guys, and peace.